Welcome back, you guys. We are going to, it's early, sorry, I'm wiping the crusties out. We are going to an Easter car show today and figured we'd bring you with us, so let's do it. Pro tip for when you're going to shows, if you haven't gone to a bunch yet, always good to bring some lawn chairs just in case. Always bring some lawn chairs just in case, that way you don't get, that way you don't have to stand all day. Alright you guys, wifey and I are on our way to this Easter show. We're actually going to be meeting up with Mike and Taylor. But first, we got to get Starbucks. We have to get Starbucks, so we'll see you guys in a minute. Bag secured. You dig? What up, man?
What up?
Yeah. Thank you, brother. What's up, bro? Yes, sir. Y'all see how we pulling up. I pulled the Lexus out. I'm not trying to dig out the Mustang. Mike's finally got his car back. Mike's super excited to have his car back. And you know the boy Taylor be outside. He be outside all the time. But yeah, we at the Quick Trip right now. Getting something to eat, and then we're gonna roll over there. Keep it posted.
It went bop! Right up that sewer lid.
Dang, look at that Camaro. Show that Camaro. He's sick.
All right, you guys got them slammed down, don't you?
That's right.
Yeah, look good, man.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
I just gotta repaint. We're about to go get some t-shirts.
Yo.
A t-shirt!
Damn. That thing's sick. So you think that's a Miata chassis?
No, it was 5 lug, so it looked like it though, because a lot of people do.
Thing's sick though. It's probably so fun to drive. Thing's sick.
Yeah. Is that like an EcoBoost engine?
That thing's sick. This thing's probably fun as hell.
Well, that's like the bumper.
Bro, it's my people. It's my people. Right hand. Oh, that's sick.
Oh, you saw me. Look at my cover. My cover's got a couple.
Thing's sick, man.
Yeah, but they perfected that a lot better by that.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
That's fire.
No, it's NA, but it's the good.
Clean. Clean. We like that.
That.
That is sick. Bro, this thing is nice. This thing's sick. Whoa. Bro. Rear steering on the Burgundy Baron? It's crazy. That's crazy.
Because you have to have all the
Whoa.
all legal shit.
Wait. Wait, what am I looking at, Shay? Whoa.
Yeah, I can't
Does it sit? It races this way? Whoa, you guys. It's not rear steering.
Good way to take care of it.
It races
It's a backwards car.
backwards car. Whoa, brother. Those are so sick. Super clean box body.
That Fox body convert.
Yeah, the box body's sick, huh?
I'm not a big Burt fan, but that's fire. Well, I would have went to like Upshot or something and got coffee, but I had to feed Hazel. And I was waiting for you also. I would have got us all coffee.
Up to your car like this. How? How? How?
It's so sick. All the time, and I feel like, is that even comfy to drive?
We outside.
We outside.
Tell
Yeah.
them where we are.
We're at the Family Arena in St. Charles for the Easter show. Happy Easter, everybody watching this. I know this is going to come out a week later, but still, it's pretty sweet. This is pretty awesome. We're pretty much just going to walk around, film our favorite cars, and then anything else we can get our footage of. You know, it's pretty sweet though. There's got to be at least 1,000 cars out already. Yeah, guys, this is pretty awesome. Great weather for it too.
Hi, baby. Tell us about what you drive.
What's going on in here?
They're not RPS.
Good old Hemi in there.
Man, is that a 12 out?
Gotta get some camera on that thing. Yeah. I'm sorry. That's me in the future. That's me.
That old man.
That's me in the
long
future.
white hair.
With the fly ass fit. Talk to him. What you mean?
Dude, my man's balling right now. What do you think about all this shit around here?
Smell like a whole lot of straight wheels.
Smell like street wheels. The old, what is that, a Hurricane? Is that a Hurricane?
Hurricane.
A Hurricane?
Hurricane Chris.
Looks like Katrina.
Bye.
Love it.
Hell yeah, Granny.
That's awesome. That was good. That's next. Taylor.
That's nasty.
That's what I wanted for a long time. I wanted a dually. I wanted a bag dually and a bag trailer pulling a bag car. One day.
With a big
Yeah. He's outside. Like that. Whoa. That's some mad science and shit. What is going on? Yeah.
Deutz, all aluminum, air cooled out of the Patriot missile system. Out of a train? No, out of a Patriot missile. Patriot missile system. So you know, when the bad guys shoot missiles at us, there's a missile that intercepts them in the air. This comes out and it came out of that.
Then you got airbags. Wow. Get in the Lloyd, the blade is right on.
I looked at it, I said, that's a military motor or something.
Yes, sir. That's 385 horsepower.
He was just saying what it was.
Some come out of
Would you guys come to Wright City?
9 months? Yeah. From the beginning of the idea to...
Yep. We had a nice show out there.
Wow. Hey, he said this thing is like about 300 horse, but 1,500 foot-pounds of torque. He said there's no gas pedal. He uses a boat cable to throttle it. This thing is crazy, dude. Just told us, what did he say? He pulls a 30-foot goose with this?
Yeah, 35-foot gooseneck.
Yeah, that's Rat Rod Final Boss.
That's a toe pig right there.
Bro, you can admit that the Rat Rods are kind of the craziest thing in the car world. Like, I know that we do camber and slammed and everything, and there's the muscle scene, but the Rat Rods are where, like, real creativity is shown.
That motherfucker kind of hard, you know.
Motherfucker kind of hard, dude. Ah.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, he's on 3P. Oh great heavens.
Oh shit, the future is now.
He's on 3P. Beautiful, dude.
Where the fuck are the stance cars?
It's a crazy golf cart.
Taylor, are you about to be whipping? Oh, it's happy hour, man. Dude, man, this thing's laying fucking skirts, man. That's what we need to get. We need to invest in one of them for like
I
car
agree.
shows.
Tell Jenna.
Hey, Jenna.
What?
You buy that for me for my birthday?
Oh, God.
It's pocket change.
Appreciate you.
Yeah, I know. That's where I was looking. I'm like, well, I don't even like it.
Dude, what's going on here?
This thing's sick, dude. That's what's going on.
Dip, go get the rear dip.
Man, how you do that?
Go look at the engraving on the rear dip.
How you do that? Those are like 40K springs, right?
Dude. This is a whole different type of. You gotta be. I don't know, bro.
The paint is. The metallic's fire. You painted this thing too?
I was about to last night.
Chat, tell me if Taylor's cute or not.
Oh my.
He's not single.
He's not.
Leave him alone.
Imagine how loud that fucker
This fucking blower, dude. This thing's fucking huge.
It's an actual.
He was at Cruising the Coast down in Biloxi this year, but about 200 miles on it, just cruising and having fun.
I heard about that down.
So it's not a show queen necessarily. He gets on.
This is yours, huh?
There's Justin right there. Hey man, where'd you spawn from?
Like,
Just got out of the gulag?
yeah, I like that. I did. I won my 1v1.
Shinoda? Boss Shinoda? What does that mean?
I don't know.
I thought you were the Mustang man. You should know this.
Cut the camera.
Caught in 4K.
Cut the camera.
How do you like it?
Love it. I just lowered it last week.
That looks good.
I did space the wheels out since they're still stock wheels.
Yeah, they look a little pushed out, but it looks good. Are you just lowering spring?
Yeah, I did the Steeda Sport Springs. I lowered 1.3 inches in the back, or front, and an inch in the rear. And an RTR chin splitter.
Yeah, this splitter looks good. I like that.
It fits.
I wanted to say, what's your opinion on putting camber on a Mustang?
You should have been like, so, are you
Hit
gonna
up
stance
Haynes stance. We'll put bags and camber on it.
Yeah. Chat, would this thing look good with bags and camber? Comment down below. Yeah, you don't see these very often. This is a good looking truck, man.
All right, you guys. That concludes our Easter show. We're about to get out of here. I hope you guys had a good Easter. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of the stuff we got going on. It's loud, it's hectic, we're having fun, but we're out of here, you guys. From me and mine, we're signing off. Peace, you guys. Happy Easter. Bye.